Guys, and just like that, we're back at Sunday Funday and another great show by Shane Prather Band. All right, check it out. I know, Mom, I need a haircut. Working on it.
There you go. We know what we know what it was.
We won the first part. The second part.
Yeah, turn the treble down. We'll have less trouble. Oh, yes.
My
I
guy.
know that one. I'm sure it's a good one. I'll put it on the list for next time. Steel Panthers. Does anybody know that one besides this guy? That might be I don't know. Is that what genre is that?
Thank you, thank you.
Oh,
Hey, you guys are gonna be on the YouTube channel.
that's
This is what we do here. Have you watched it?
Yes, I have.
Good, all right.
Follow us.
Awesome, awesome.
Does anybody want? Do you guys want to do another holler and swallow? Do you want another holler and swallow?
All the way from Massachusetts. Newburyport in the house.